There's a perfect time for everything. Kuyawa! Okay, again. There's a perfect time for everything. Sometimes you have to hold on something that's very special to you because you're not ready to announce yet. Sometimes your fears and doubts would get the most of you, and then you realize you just have to have faith in God that everything will be okay.
It was never easy. It came to a point that it was physically and emotionally challenging. It was quite a test in our relationship. And now, finally, we've been waiting for this day to share this wonderful news to you.
We are expecting a baby!
To my langgayan, don't you worry. I will always be by your side. I know you'll be a great mom as you're such a great wife to me.
And to you, Ding, the love of my life. Thank you so much for your unconditional love and for providing me and baby the best of the best. I know in my heart that you'll be an amazing papa to our little ones soon.
To baby, we can't wait to shower you with our love. We love you so much.
Oh, it's super much.
Yeah! Ay kalaboy,